Barking?
It's barking like a dog.
Because he's been around here for too long?
No, we just got here.
Just got here.
That's so funny.
You done? Hello?
All done? Everybody's so quiet over there except for Big Mouth. Baby.
Hello? 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 Oh, did you hear that one? It said hello, baby. It talks to it. Hello, baby. Say it. Hello, baby. He did it! Did you hear that?
You said hello, baby. Oh, Colleen like a little bird.
Oh, God, it can open his cage. Help me out.
Stop that. You can't come out. You stay in your cage.
Hello, baby. Hello, baby.
I'm going to have to get something to lock your house.
It's coming. This one's trying to get our attention.
Hi, baby. Oh my God, they're hysterical.
They're so funny.
I like birds, but they just have so many problems. Don't get mad. Hey!
He's just told dogs all the time. Oh. Oh, God, Mo.
I can't get it off now.
Ah!
I need a doctor. That'll keep.
Ah!
I don't think he can
He's
get
coming
out.
for you. Hey, let me
Don't
distract
be mad.
you.
Don't be mad.
Hey.
I think he's okay because I don't think it can come up past here. Look.
Okay. It's like Jurassic Park in here. Hello.
Hello. What do you
Hello,
guys think?
baby. Hello,
I
baby.
wish we were down here before. The red bird was mad at the green bird, and he kept going, little bird.
Little bird. I'm walking away from you all.
The red one was calling the green one little baby.
I think he might come here. I don't need TV. Like
You should bring Emma here. Oh my God. She'd want us to touch him. The poor green bird.
She lies and says it bit me. Apparently they do much better at home together.
He's stretching his wings. Everyone's nice and quiet.